Here's a winter weather desk update from 59 News.
Good morning, everybody. I'm meteorologist Mike Slifer, and our winter weather desk is activated this morning.
And I'm meteorologist Zach Guillon. Our team coverage continues as we continue to cover this winter storm coming through. It's brought a good mix of snow as well as a wintry mix of freezing rain and sleet. And Mike, can you tell us a little bit about what we're going to continue to see throughout the rest of this morning?
You've got that right, Zach. Definitely wintry out there this morning. We've seen snow, sleet, and freezing rain, and just regular old rain. It's also a bit breezy out there. Wind gusts for many of us right now are in the 15 to 25 mile an hour range. And normally when we see gusts in the 20 mile an hour range, it's not too big of a deal. But we've got some power lines out there that have ice built up on them, and that, combined with the gusty winds, could allow for more power outages. Hearing of some power outages across parts of Tazewell and Mercer counties, and expecting that number to increase a little bit as people begin to wake up and report that they have lost power. Over the last hour here on the Storm Tracker 59 HD Dual Live Doppler radar, we've been watching this drier air try to build on in. We still see a lot of wintry precip across the region, a good wintry mix where you see the pinks here on the radar, some snow in parts of Greenbrier and Pocahontas counties. But at this point, the coal fields have dried out. Maybe some light precip falling through Wyoming, McDowell, and Tazewell counties. But in general, we've taken this drying trend. Let's zoom in a little bit here on the Storm Tracker 59 HD Dual Live Doppler. So Pineville, Welch looking clearer right now. We've got this wintry mix that stretches from about Peterstown in Monroe County all the way up through Hinton into parts of Summers County, closer to Grandview and Raleigh County, up Sandstone Mountain, and then into Meadowbridge in Fayette County. We also are tracking the latest with what's going on here in Greenbrier and Pocahontas counties. Not looking quite as well mixed here in the higher elevations of Greenbrier and Pocahontas County. Droop Mountain dealing with just snow. We see more snow along the West Virginia 92 corridor, and that transitions back over to a mix of sleet and freezing rain as we get closer to White Sulphur Springs. And along US 219 from Lewisburg through Maxwell, Frankfort, and Renwick, we still see a bit of mixing taking place from Raynell through Rupert and all the way up into Charmco and Quinwood. Things are going to be messy, especially in our eastern counties, but I think everybody can bank on things being a bit messy this morning. This entire system rather complicated with that warm air intrusion. Even up the I-79 corridor, we've transitioned over to just plain old rain. Later on today, all of us do make that transition, and forecast high temperatures are actually back into the 40s later on. The National Weather Service still has winter storm warnings in effect for the counties highlighted in pink. In purple, we've got winter weather advisories, not expecting the impacts from the wintry weather to be quite as big in the counties highlighted in purple. Notice McDowell County has no advisory or warning right now, and that's because we've seen mostly rain through McDowell County, and that's where we start to see these flood alerts come into play. We do have a flood watch in effect for McDowell County through 7 a.m. tomorrow. High water is possible, and it's also possible that this flood watch will actually get expanded. We've moved in quite a bit of moisture here across the two Virginias, and with more moisture on the way, that means that we are going to really have to pay attention to those water levels. Predictor does show a lot of this activity breaking up as we get later into the morning. I still think we will likely see the persistent moisture through the Greenbrier Valley and into the mountains of Greenbrier and Pocahontas counties, but we eventually do transition over to just plain rain here across the region, and that means tonight anything that you see falling will just be regular old rain. We won't be dealing with slick conditions for the morning commute on Thursday. Everybody cashes in on some of that warmth, and that allows those temperatures to climb. We keep lows in the 40s tonight before climbing up into the 50s tomorrow. Just a little bit more activity through the morning hours tomorrow. We quiet down tomorrow afternoon, and then on Friday morning, we've got more rain in the forecast. So we're not done with our active pattern here by any means. 52 tomorrow, 49 on Friday. We make it up to 60 on Sunday. We will have to watch for high water across the region as we get into the weekend. So we transition from that wintry weather over to potential flooding. By next week, things are looking at least a little bit calmer, although we've still got some showers in the forecast. Temperatures will be running right near average for this time of year.
Mike, thank you. And we have team coverage with several reporters out in the field. Let's get a